In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fireflies Ai. To begin, head to the Fireflies website and click Sign Up or Get Started. When prompted, log in using your Google or Outlook account. Using the same account you use for work meetings helps Fireflies recognize your calendar events. During this process, you may be asked to grant permissions so the tool can see your calendar and join meetings on your behalf. Approve those prompts so everything works smoothly. Once you're in, go to Settings. Here, turn on the Auto Join Meetings option. This switch tells Fireflies to automatically hop into your calls so you don't have to remember to invite it each time. Still in Settings, connect the meeting platforms you use: Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. Pick the ones that match your organization's tools. The connections allow Fireflies to enter your calls as a participant and capture what's said. If your team changes platforms later, you can return here to adjust these connections. With Auto Join on and your platforms connected, Fireflies will now scan your calendar and join your scheduled meetings automatically at the right time. You'll see it appear in the call as a guest participant, and it will start recording and taking notes in the background. If your organization uses waiting rooms or lobbies, make sure the bot is admitted so it can start on time. If you ever need Fireflies in a call that isn't on your calendar, open the Fireflies dashboard, click Add to Live Meeting, paste the meeting link, and select Start. This is perfect for impromptu calls or when someone sends you a fresh link. Within moments, the bot will join that meeting as a participant and begin recording just like it would for a scheduled call. After your meeting wraps up, go back to the dashboard and open the Meetings section. Find your meeting and click it to view the notes. Inside, you'll see the full transcript, an AI-generated summary, and a list of action items. The transcript lets you review what was said line by line. The AI summary condenses the discussion into the key takeaways, which makes catching up fast. The action items highlight tasks, owners, or next steps that emerged during the conversation, helping you follow through without rewatching the entire meeting. That's all you need to start using Fireflies effectively. Sign up and log in, enable auto join in settings, connect your meeting platforms, use the dashboard to add a live meeting when needed, and review your transcript, summary, and action items after every call.